I'm Shikha. So the recently concluded Indian Couture Week saw a lot of trends on the runway. But one major beauty trend that we spotted was sparkly, glittery eyes. These are going to be huge for the upcoming wedding and festive season. So today I'm going to show you guys how to recreate this in a simple and wearable way. So let's get started. So the first step is to prime your eyelids so it holds onto all the eyeshadow, as well as the eyeshadow applied is extremely pigmented. So as the primer is sitting on your lids, it's time to fill your eyebrows in. Do not go for a very dark tint, go for something that's lighter, as you want your eyes to make the statement with all the glitter, and your eyebrows can be a little soft and subtle while they're still well shaped and arched. Now for the next step, I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow and contour my lids to define the shape of my eyes. Now I'm going to be working with some silver glitter for this eye look. Hence, as the base shade, I'm going to pick a gunmetal silver color to create an even base. Now if you guys are working with pink glitter, gold glitter, purple glitter, pick a base shade that is from the same color family. Now it's time for the fun part, the glitter. Now there are two ways in which you can apply the glitter. Either you can take it on the tip of your finger and dab some on the outer corner of your eye and work it outside so it looks very pretty and dramatic. Or you can start from the center and work your way towards the inner corner of your eye. I'm going to take some glitter on a flat eyeshadow brush and dab it from the center to the inner corner of my eye. Now that the glitter is in place, to make it pop and shine even more, we're going to add some contrast. So pick a darker eyeshadow and deposit it in the outer corner of your eye. Using a pencil brush, I am going to apply some black eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eye and then soften it by blending it away. Now to complete the whole eyeshadow bit of this eye makeup, I'm going to take the same gunmetal shade that I took for my lids and apply it along my lower lash line. And now you're done, guys. Now just finish this look with some mascara. So now that the eyes are super dramatic, go for a more muted shade when it comes to lips. I'm going to go for a pinkish nude in matte finish. That's it, guys. This was the super pretty glittery makeup look, which is super glam for a nighttime event. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more videos like these, stay tuned to Horrorfly.